Welcome to back Global Bike Buzz. The year 2025 has brought us many new motorcycles across different categories, but one machine that has truly captured attention is the latest Honda Fury. Known for its long, stretched-out chopper stance and unmistakable cruiser attitude, the Fury has always stood out as one of Honda's boldest designs. The 2025 version continues that legacy while adding refinements in both performance and design, keeping it fresh and modern for a new generation of riders who want power, style, and a touch of rebellion. Today, we're going to dive deep into everything you need to know about the 2025 Honda Fury, from its styling, engine, ride quality, and technology, to its price and unique selling points that set it apart in the world of cruisers. When you first lay eyes on the 2025 Honda Fury, the bike immediately commands attention with its stretched-out proportions. The front end has that classic chopper-inspired rake, with a slim 21-inch wheel up front paired with a massive 200mm tire in the rear, giving it an aggressive and unmistakable stance. The long wheelbase, low-slung seat, and high, sculpted fuel tank create a flowing line from front to back that oozes cruiser personality. Honda has made subtle refinements to the paint finishes and detailing for 2025, offering new metallic color options that look absolutely stunning under the sunlight. The chrome work remains generous but tasteful, blending with matte blacked-out components to give riders the option of a more modern or classic look depending on their chosen trim. The Fury's design isn't just about appearances. Honda has ensured that the ergonomics remain comfortable for extended rides. The low 26.9-inch seat height makes the bike approachable for riders of various sizes, and the forward-mounted foot controls combined with a slightly pulled-back handlebar give a natural cruiser riding position. Unlike some custom choppers that sacrifice comfort for looks, the Fury strikes a balance. It looks wild and rebellious while still being practical for daily use and long weekend rides. Under the hood, or rather beneath that sculpted fuel tank, lies the heart of the Fury, a 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, 52-degree V-twin engine. This engine has been refined for 2025 to deliver smoother throttle response while maintaining the deep, throaty exhaust note that cruiser riders love. With fuel injection and Honda's reliable engineering, the motor delivers around 67 horsepower and 78 pound-feet of torque. That may not sound like outrageous numbers compared to some heavyweight cruisers, but the Fury isn't about raw numbers, it's about the feel. The V-twin delivers power in a linear, predictable way, making it easy to ride in city traffic while still offering plenty of grunt for highway cruising. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 Fury is how Honda has tuned the engine to give riders that classic cruiser rumble without excessive vibration. The balance shafts do an excellent job of reducing fatigue on longer rides, and the 5-speed transmission paired with shaft drive ensures smooth, low-maintenance operation. Unlike belt or chain drives, the shaft drive gives the Fury a premium feel and requires far less upkeep, perfect for riders who want to spend more time on the road and less time in the garage. Handling-wise, the Fury continues to surprise many riders. Despite its stretched-out chopper styling and long 71-inch wheelbase, the bike handles city streets and open roads with confidence. The raked-out front fork, measuring 45mm, provides solid stability, while the single rear shock with adjustable preload helps soak up bumps more effectively than you might expect from a bike that looks this custom. It's not a sport bike, of course, but in the cruiser category, the Fury rides better than most expect given its bold looks. Braking has also seen some upgrades. For 2025, Honda has equipped the Fury with a front 336mm disc and a rear 296mm disc, both paired with two-piston calipers. ABS is now standard, giving riders peace of mind when riding in wet conditions or during sudden stops. It's these small but meaningful updates that make the new Fury feel modern and safe without losing its raw, custom appeal. Technology has never been the Fury's main selling point, but Honda has subtly added modern touches for 2025. A digital-analog combo instrument cluster sits neatly atop the handlebar riser, providing essential information like speed, fuel, and trip details while keeping the cockpit uncluttered. LED lighting now comes standard, including a sleek headlight and taillight that enhance both style and visibility. Honda has also integrated a USB-C charging port, which is a thoughtful addition for riders who rely on smartphones for navigation and music on longer journeys. Another factor that makes the 2025 Fury stand out is how approachable it is in terms of ownership. While some custom-looking choppers can cost a fortune, Honda has priced the Fury competitively. The starting price for the 2025 Honda Fury is around $11,499 in the US market, which is impressive considering its unique design, large displacement V-twin, and Honda's reputation for reliability. This positions the Fury as one of the most affordable ways to get a factory-built chopper that looks like a custom show bike but rides with Honda's engineering quality. Now let's talk about the unique selling points that make the Fury such an interesting motorcycle in 2025. The first is its design. Very few bikes in the production world capture the essence of a custom chopper as authentically as the Fury. Honda has essentially given riders a factory-made custom, which saves thousands of dollars compared to commissioning a one-off build. Second, the bike balances style with practicality. While many radical-looking bikes are uncomfortable or unreliable, the Fury combines striking looks with everyday rideability and Honda's bulletproof reliability. Third, the inclusion of shaft drive sets it apart from many other cruisers in its price range, giving it a premium edge. Additionally, the Fury appeals to a wide audience. For new riders moving up to larger cruisers, it offers accessibility with its low seat and predictable power delivery. For experienced riders, it provides the chance to own a factory chopper without the headache of constant maintenance. And for those who simply want a bike that turns heads everywhere it goes, the Fury absolutely delivers. Park this bike at any gathering, and it's guaranteed to draw crowds. Of course, no bike is perfect. Some riders may find that the Fury's styling is polarizing, it's not the understated cruiser for blending in. Others may wish for a 6-speed gearbox instead of the 5-speed. But for its target audience, the Fury hits all the right notes. It's bold, different, reliable, and relatively affordable compared to what it offers in terms of design and presence. On the road, the 2025 Honda Fury truly comes alive. The low-end torque makes it easy to pull away from stoplights with authority, and cruising at highway speeds feels relaxed thanks to the wide gear ratios. The sound of that big V-twin, especially with optional aftermarket pipes, gives riders the auditory thrill that defines the cruiser experience. It's the kind of bike that makes even a simple ride to the coffee shop feel like an event. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda Fury is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It represents Honda's willingness to push boundaries in design while staying true to its engineering philosophy of reliability and ease of ownership. With its stretched-out chopper looks, comfortable ergonomics, torquey V-twin engine, shaft drive, and updated safety features, the Fury continues to carve out a unique niche in the cruiser world. For riders who want something different, something bold, and something that blends custom bike attitude with factory dependability, the 2025 Fury is one of the best options out there. And at a price of just under $12,000, it's hard to find another bike that offers this much style and substance for the money. So, whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a new toy or someone moving up to a larger machine, the 2025 Honda Fury deserves serious consideration. It's more than just transportation. It's a piece of rolling art backed by one of the most trusted names in the motorcycle industry.